What is going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, right? Fantastic week so far, guys. We crushed it this week. I hope everybody's having a good day so far. We are going to go over some charts and try and make some money tonight. That's the goal. Tone Salmon, how you doing? Stealth FX, good to see you. Matthew Ingle, nice to see you. Good to see everybody. Good to see everybody. We don't have any major news except for GBP news at 2 a.m. There's an orange folder for inflation expectations at 11 p.m. Other than that, we really don't have too much in terms of news tonight, which isn't a bad thing. Don't mind that at all. But great week so far, guys. Really just a great week. I don't know if most of you guys... I texted Dell. All right, let's jump into some charts here. So I've got a few in mind. What is this chart right here? That's Bitcoin. So let's start from the top, because we've got a couple in mind that I actually like here, and we're gonna go through them. So GBP AUD, we took this trade earlier this week. Already made profit on it. It is retesting the EMA and the lows. I think we're going to see this come down. Let's look at the technicals here. All sells. All sells on the high time frames. Important, I do have a special guest with me tonight, and he said he wasn't going to be on camera. He said he didn't want to be on camera, but we got Matt here tonight.
Like $100,000 tonight.
100 grand tonight. There he is.
That's what I'm gonna do.
So we got Matt here tonight. Matt is one of my clients, one of my students, and he's been doing pretty good. A little up and down to start, but he's doing better than most. So Matt's here with us tonight for the stream. GBP AUD, I love this chart. We're gonna wait till 8 p.m. to see what this does. The 4-hour chart is indicative of this falling down and at least testing New York AM kill zone. At least testing that. So that's my number one. Euro AUD, another trade that we took this week. that looks like it's going to continue down. We had our retracement on the 1 hour we're rejecting right now. I would love to see this chart. Let's unlock it here and move it to here. I'd love to see this chart go for at least, our stop loss would be roughly 23 pips. Our take profit, we're looking at a 1 to 2.6. 1 to 2.6. So we're looking at a really good RR there. Really can't complain on that. If you just subscribed, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you like the stream, subscribe. Rascal, yeah, you took that Euro AUD trade too? Good. I'm looking at it again. NZD USD. Now let's talk about this one. NZD USD. Major bull flag here. Don't love this zone. So we're going to tighten that thing up. That's your zone right there. We have now consolidated. Let me get these session highs and lows off here, make it look cleaner. We have consolidated well into and below this. Now, is this a liquidity sweep right here? Is it going to come back up in? Or was this a break of structure and a retest at a key level, and we're looking at it coming back down? We're not 100% sure right now. But we are deciding on what we're going to do here. I like NZD USD as a sell. Euro GBP. This is another trade that we took profit on this week already. Euro GBP. I think we might get rid of this one. I think we might get rid of Euro GBP. I don't love this chart. I don't love this chart. It looks like it should come down. August low is right here. We haven't broken July low. July low is actually going to be way down here. This could be a full-on correction. I actually do like this chart. We're going to keep that. I've already looked through every other chart, guys. I'm not liking any of it. Like, you can't trade this. Look at this. You've got 2 days and 6 hours of straight consolidation on some of these. Nope, I do not. Strictly foreign exchange. Works the best for me, works the best for my trading style, and it doesn't use as much margin as any of those. We've got 13 minutes until we get a new candle, and I'm thinking that we are going to go. We could put the stop loss up to 35 pips and give us some more room and make it a 1 to 1.6 RR. But I don't think that we're breaking through this. And again, that's when the session highs and lows come in. We would be fully protected right there. Fully protected at 35 pips, which is why I wouldn't mind putting it there. We're looking at TP1 for 15 pips, TP2 for 30 pips, TP3 for 59 to 60 pips. So in terms of what we're looking at right now, I'm not really too upset with this chart. But what I would like to see is a full rejection of this EMA and this fair value gap. That being said, if we go to the 4 hour, our 4 hour chart has also been held by this fair value gap for roughly 12 hours. We've got a 12-hour fair value gap. Bitcoin ready to dump. Yeah, that's why every time I transfer out of the withdraw out of the broker to Coinbase, I immediately pull it straight into my bank account because I am not losing money on taking money out. I don't mind this 4-hour candle if it dropped more. We have consolidation below the fair value gap. We have a really good stop set. I like this chart. What I don't like is this moves. On the 15-minute right here, we have a small uptrend, but it's a retracement to our break of structure line, which is right there. Sorry, that was a terrible line. Our break of structure line is right here. So we've rejected it twice. It looks like we should come down. Sunset in Florida yet? No, it is bright right outside this window. So that's where I'm at with this right now. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. We're going to have to obviously wait a couple minutes here. The 1 hour on Euro AUD does make me a little weary, but we do see rejection here. So the rejection right here is good. If we can close bearish, we can move down, but this could be a reversal to finally come back up. However, we are consolidated under the EMA ribbon and under all session lows except for New York low, which I believe we will retest. Yeah, it's gonna be hot in Texas there, brother. So based off what we're looking at here, I'm seeing some good setups. I gotta stop doing that. I'm seeing some good setups. Nothing I absolutely love yet, but I'm really curious to see what these next 9 minutes bring us. Man, the women are big out. You gotta be kidding me. Oh boy. But this looks like a good trade, and if we were gonna look at, oh boy, you're just in free fall. I don't trust this. I think this is a liquidity sweep right here to move back up. But it is below all the session highs and lows, so we can't count it out. If we were to put some take profits there, we'd go 1, we'd go 2, and we'd go 3. That's all we'd put there. If we were to short it, we'd get in right there. We'd have a stop loss of right at this. Honestly, fuck it. We'd go stop loss at 26 pips. It looks more like a 1-to-1. I'd like to move another take profit down to here, and we'd be looking at a 1-to-2. So that's a possibility. GBP AUD we already have drawn up. Euro AUD we already have drawn up. NZD USD we have drawn up. And Euro GBP, I just see this double top coming down. The consolidation is low. You have lower highs. You got lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. This should come down to here. Maybe looking something like that just to get us to TP3. So what we're going to do is draw this one up too. Are we below all of our... We're not below all of our kill zones. That's my only issue with this one. But if we were to take this short position, we'd have our stop loss pretty tight here at the top of the consolidation. It would only really be 10 pips, which I don't love. Probably go 15 pips. And we'd go TP1, TP2, And our TP3 is already down here. So that's what we'd be looking at on this trade. We got 6 minutes until we get a new candle here, which is good. Share this to Facebook real quick. I forgot. Everywhere's got a heat wave right now. Everywhere's got a heat wave.
Happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday.
So we're not doing too bad. We're not doing too bad. We're just waiting for this hour candle. Oh, yeah, Southern Hemisphere. We don't really concern ourselves with them. I'm just kidding. So, based off what we're seeing here, we've got a couple really good options. Not mad about it. We like to concern ourselves with America. No, I'm just kidding. UK's just fine. Sometimes. So, GBP AUD's got the most volume. We already said we didn't like Euro JPY because it's consolidating. The rest of these charts are booty cheeks, guys. Look at these. Terrible. Consolidate, consolidate. GBP USD is going to come up and retest. Ooh, it's actually low too. GBP is going to come up and retest on the 1 hour and then drop its pants. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. I like our couple trades here. Most of these are in agreement with me on strong sells or sells, other than the smaller time frames. Euro AUD, also small time frames are, everything looks like a sell. We just need a pretty good rejection on this 4 hour. NZD USD, tiny candles looking like it could reverse on us. This could be liquidity. And Euro GBP on the 1 hour is rejecting as we speak. So we got 3 minutes until we get a new 1 hour. Yeah, we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Just give it some time. Give it some time. We'll make it happen. If you guys are new, welcome. I appreciate everybody joining. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like the stream. We're going to see what happens here. We're too early into the session. It is 8 p.m., a little bit later than I normally start. There we go. All right. What'd you say?
Taking a nap in that chair?
No. If I do this, it doesn't look good. That's not a good streaming setup. No, keep it up. Oh, that's a little tight. Alright, so We'll give it this another minute. We're going to see what happens. We're looking at the 4 hour and we're looking at the 1 hour, guys, because we have 1 hour left until we get a new 4 hour candle, which is super important to note. And then we have 1 minute until we get a new 8 hour candle. Now you have to be weary when you're trading the 8 p.m. candle, because you could get reversals or complete opposite movements going into the 4 hour based off the day. We got a lot of wicks right here on Euro GBP. A lot of wicks, but good rejections, even on the 4 hour. 1 hour's right at it. I'd love to see the 1 hour come down here. Alright, here is our new 1 hour candle. Let's give it a minute or two to see what happens here. You guys can't hear that fan going in the microphone, can you? Hopefully not. I think we get a rejection here and this goes down on Euro GBP. Euro GBP needs to finish this out. At least TP2. TP1 we're looking at... Oh, that's not a lot of pips. That's going to be TP1. TP2 is pretty close. We may even go TP3 and then 4. That's probably more likely. That way TP1 is at least more than 5 pips. You're looking at 8.8. Nope on what, Tone Salmon? What? Nope on what? Oh, you do hear it or you don't? Oh, you hear no fan. Good. Alright, cool. Yeah, this room just gets blasted with the sun on sundown, so I just want to make sure that there was no issues with the fan. I like the rejection we're getting here. NZD, oh yeah. I think this flips bearish. I think we see this flip bearish. What do we got here for entry? We got no pips to TP1. We got to drop that. And we got to drop this to here. And we got to drop this to here. That's more accurate. I think these small little candles here don't signify we're going to come up and retest on the 4. And on the 1, we haven't broken this fair value gap here in 8 hours. Consolidation below fair value gap is a great sign. Great sign. What do we got? 27 concurrent viewers right now in the horizontal. Welcome, guys. Appreciate you joining. I think we're going to retest on the 1 hour before rejecting. So we're going to hold that. Euro GBP looks like it's going to drop. Euro AUD is going to drop. I think we go with Euro AUD, guys. Yeah, I think we're getting in Euro AUD. Again. My only issue with Euro AUD is the lows. July 28th, July 27th. I don't mind it. I think Euro AUD sells as our number 1. GBP AUD. Ooh, boy, that looks good too. GBP AUD looks really good too. That's going to be my number 2. I think we get rid of NZD USD. Let's unflag that. And Euro GBP, we'll hold on to it. So we're down to 3 charts. Now that we've done our top-down analysis, 4 hour, 1 hour, we can look at entering on the 15-minute here. But Euro AUD may be the winner here to just close this zone out. If you look at the 4-hour on it, the 4-hour closed bearish on the last candle. We have a massive fair value gap protecting us, another one up here, and we have session highs protecting us. All these sessions. My only fear on this trade is that it goes up to retest on the 4-hour. I don't quite see that happening. I think we're going to take Euro AUD or GBP AUD. Yep, that's where we're at right now. So GBP AUD, let's look at the technicals. Sell, 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 strong sell, sell, strong sell. Euro AUD, we got sell, 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 strong sell on the 1-hour. Euro AUD it is, boys. They're both great looking charts. I like them both. Let's see, in terms of distance, 28, 60, and 101. And on Euro AUD, you got 14, 31, and 60. Still both really good trades. Let's zoom out to the day chart here and do our final test. That day chart's coming down. That day chart's coming down on Euro AUD. And that day chart looks like it's coming down on Euro AUD. They both look great. They both look great. Question is, which one do we like better? Based off looking at this chart, I think that's a solid move there, and I think that's a solid move there. My only problem is we had higher lows here. Yeah, Euro AD is going to be the trade, guys. With these sessions up. And last thing to check is the sessions. Shit, they both look good, guys. Alright, let's let me see here which one had the best pips. 60 to the bottom, GBP AUD had 28, 60. I think we wait for the 15-minute. Do we look at the 15? Ooh, that's a good one. Euro AUD on the 15. That's a good one too. And kill zones are below TP1, so which one's got a tighter stop? So this one's got a 31 pip stop. This one's got a 37 pip stop. They're pretty much the same thing. Oops. So looking at these charts right now, based on all the time frames, I think I like Euro AUD better. Just because of the retest on the 1 hour. GBP AUD also retested on the 1 hour. And has a bigger fair value gap. It's a toss-up here, guys. We may have to wait another couple minutes to see what we got on the what we got on these charts, but I'm seeing on the broker side as well, GBP AUD, and let's take it Euro AUD. Euro AUD's got a higher probability based on market structure. But do we see it going all the way down is the question. $13, $30, and $58. Which one is more likely to go to the bottom based on price action? Oof. The one day looks better on GBP AUD than Euro AUD. Actually kind of hard to say that. We're at a really low bottom though on Euro AUD. That's my only issue with Euro AUD. Shaved bottom on the previous 4 hour. Yeah, we're going to wait till the new 15-minute candles come in. No reason to rush into a trade. It's a 38 pip stop loss. That's high, but I don't mind it when our take profits are so big. Following from Nigeria, Grace, nice to meet you. Destiny FX, nice to meet you. Welcome to the stream. This 15 minutes got a fair value gap issue. This 15 minutes got a fair value gap issue. But these aren't really 15-minute trades. These are 1 hour trade timelines. You know what I mean? So it's kind of hard to tell. Have you ever used predictive MACD to project moving average values into the future at the current price? No. No, I use EMA ribbon. That's all I use. We got 2 minutes here. And Euro GBP, it's rejecting, but we haven't gotten that red candle. Is Euro GBP, I just don't like the wicks. I don't like the wicks. We're getting rid of Euro GBP. We're down to 2 charts. And I think both of them look solid. One of them's got more room, and that's GBP AUD. But if you look at the sessions, both of them are under both sections except for New York. I just use my indicator. This indicator is mine. This is one that I had coded for my 4 confirmations specifically. We got a new 15-minute candle coming soon. Are these super chats that you guys are sending? Oh, no, they're not. All right, here's our new 15. We got a bearish fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, whatever you guys want to call it. Yeah, they're good, man. That's why I've been using them. They're good. Here's what we need to look at, more importantly. You've got rejection at TP1 here, 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 and here. You've got 4 points of rejection, which creates a support. We have to bank on it going below that. On Euro AUD, we've got just 1 point of rejection. It's on a downtrend. We've been back here on July 27th, which is only like a week and a half ago. And the 4-hour on these, which is important to note because we're coming into a new 4-hour candle, you're protected here and you're protected here. It's tough to tell. I think I like Euro AUD better though. I don't think that this is going to be an issue. TP1 on this is what? 12, and TP1 on this is a lot more than 12. It's tough, guys. They're both really good trades. Let's see. Let me type this out so when we're ready to get in, we're ready to get in. Euro AUD, GBP AUD. So your stop loss on this one is looking like $1.91433. Your take profit's looking like 1.90745. And you're looking at 1.90433. And you're looking at 1.90033. No TP4 on that one. Now, conversely, on the other chart, ooh boy, they're moving. 1.63543. 1.63036. 1.62868. And then 1.62585. Got 2 options and they're both ready to send. Tone Salmon with the 99 cents. Thank you. I think that's what that was. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate that. I'm curious, what does the group think we go with? I think I have mine. I think our better option's Euro AUD. But GBP AUD has the potential to go deeper. July 29th. And July 27th. Tough to tell, boys. Really tough to tell. It's nice, though, that you have two great charts. That doesn't hurt. That doesn't hurt at all. Yeah, you and me both, except my stomach doesn't love it. That's the only problem there. Guys, I think we're going for Euro AUD. I just can't make a decision. GBP AUD has a more likely of going to TP1. Euro AUD is more likely to get to TP1 as well. Euro AUD's TP1 is 13 pips. GBP AUD's TP1 is 30 pips. And we're looking bull flaggy here. What'd you say?
Trying to pick a good one.
Yeah, it's tough to tell. It's tough to tell right now. I don't think we have quite enough information. Let's give it another 15 minutes. It's the only real thing we can do here. About to hit 2,400 subs, guys. Appreciate you guys. Oh boy. Could drop down to the 5 and see what's got. I don't like this bull flag looking move here. And it's doing it on both of them. We just got what looks like to be a ribbon flip on the 5-minute here. On GBP AUD. My only problem, guys, and I'm going to show this to you, is on GBP AUD. Do you see all this support right here, right at TP1? All this support right here at TP1. It's been doing that since August 4th, so we're banking on it going through TP1 since August 4th with no news. We do have GBP news at... We have GBP news tonight at 2 a.m., so early in the morning. That's the only reason I wouldn't want to touch it. The expectation of the news is to be good for the Great British Pound, which means this would invalidate our trade. I think based off that alone, Euro AUD is the move. And I realize it's less pips. I'm fine with that. All we care about is a win. 14 to 30 to 57. So we're going to wait 5 minutes in here and see what this new 15-minute candle does. And we'll go from there. The 4 hours got a ways to retest, but it's got the massive fair value gap, and the 4-hour EMA is well into our stop loss. It's a 1 to 1.5 RR. Do we wait for a better price? Actually, it's better now. It's 1 to 7.5. Alright, let's see what this 15-minute candle does. It's moving. The volume's there. The other charts are just ass. These other charts are terrible. So we don't even really... The only one that I liked was Euro USD to come up and retest this EMA ribbon and then drop right back down. And you've got room on Euro USD. You've got 15 pips to there, 30 pips to there, and then a roughly 46 to there. So we could add Euro USD to this mix. I think we reject here and come down, but not enough information. Based off the news coming in tonight with GBP news at 2 a.m., I think Euro AUD is the play. I don't love the way the chart looks at this moment. Oh. One more sub for 2,400 subs, guys. What is that? One more sub. I think we go with Euro AUD. I just don't want to get into a reversal back up that way. $2,400. There we go, guys. $2,400 subaroonies. Appreciate you guys. At 3,000, I'll give away VIP to someone for a month. And the indicator. At 3,000 subs, VIP and an indicator. You have to be in the Discord, subscribe to me, and we'll probably do some sort of Instagram post that you have to like or share and tag people. I'll tell you what, on this all of these are in August too. So if you were to short, why does it make it so big? If you were to short, shit, you could go for 30 pips. Probably put it right here. If you were to short Euro USD, could even go less on the stop loss. You could do a 16, 17 pip stop loss. That's a 1 to 2.1 on Euro USD. You'd go 1, you'd go 2, and you'd go 3 right there. It could come all the way down, so you might as well just put it at the bottom. Might as well move this. That's what your Euro USD trade would look like. And I know it says buy on some of these, but let's look at the 4 hour. Not a good 4 hour. Rejecting that. And the day, oh, that day is coming down. That day is coming down to TP2. That is a massive, this is creating a wick right here. This day is coming down to TP1, TP2 minimally to test the EMA ribbon. With this fair value, gosh, I like this trade a lot. I like this trade a lot. I like them all. It's just figuring out which one's the most A+ setup. And GBP AUD, guys, we're unflagging. We're done with GBP AUD. For a couple reasons, but we're done with GBP AUD because of that. David, what's going on, man? Que pasa? Euro AUD's moving up on this new 15-minute. Don't love that. Euro USD is at a critical point here, and we are below all highs and lows and kill zones. Let me add this to my Euro USD. Nice. Welcome. We're glad to have you, though. Hold on. Let's see. Here's what we're going to do. All right, let's take a look here.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
What was the other one we had? Thanks, Manny. Appreciate it. Thanks, Matt. Thanks, Adele. Thanks, David. Part of me wants to see what these 4 hours are doing, but I think it's going to reject and make a wick. In my experience, these things reject. Yeah, GBP AUD is out of the question. let's see here. I'm thinking Euro AUD. All right, here's what we're going to do, guys. I don't love that 4-hour chart, but I do like the 1 day chart. And I do like the 1 hour chart rejecting right here. Let's get rid of the sessions on there, clean up the chart a bit. Just got a new 15. The 4-hour is going to close bullish. All right, we're going to sell this, guys. We're going to sell Euro AUD. Make sure my stop loss is correct. Yeah, we're going to sell this. Let me send this in the chat here. Oh, sorry, guys. Euro AUD 63.063, 62.868, 62.585. This is all correct. Chicken, rice, chocolate milk, and salad. What a mix. It's sent. It's sent. Now, let me just send it to the free guys. They'll get one. This will be their last one of the week. All right, Euro AUD, let's get in it. Euro AUD sells, guys. All right, what are we going to do? 50. We're in it. And I am in for 150 lots. We have a Buc-ee's 3 minutes from my house. Yes. Don't get sucked into the hype. It's not that cool. I'm sure there was. Boom, we're good. We're in it. You get in it, Matt?
Yeah, one time. 40 got in.
We're in it. No turning back. They got gas and they got a lot of food in there, but I can't get it out of my mind that it's gas station food, so like I don't like it personally. Personally. We're in it, boys. I see it having a lot of trouble breaking that EMA ribbon and that fair value gap. Let's make some money. Keep in mind my commission on this is $300 from the broker taking commission from me, so 3, 4, 5, 6, really only holding 300 drawdown. Let's check the Discord real quick. Text Matt. Yeah, that's the goal, man. Make sure you wait, did I not send that in? Oh, I sent it in the VIP chat. Let me forward this to VIP signals. Sorry, guys. I think by 9:30 we go into profit. And set my stop losses and my take profits. What do we get in exactly at? 1.63236. 63236. Alright. We're fixing to go in profit, as they say in the South. New 15-minute candle incoming, as well as a new 4-hour candle and 1 hour coming in 15 minutes. And that'll give us some really good indication of what's going to happen tonight. Was that green I'm seeing? Oh, it's right there. It was. It's fluttering. It's just fluttering. There's our new 15. But you still got your rejection off the EMA. All right. See what we gonna do here. And if we move up to this fair value gap right here and get rejection, I will stack another position. Hey, 2401.
Got a better price.
What's that?
I think you got a better price than me.
What'd you get in at?
63213.
63213. Yeah, it's close. It's close. Wow, this one's going off. Rejection is what we're looking for here. No, it's a different golf course. He's talking about Liberty National. Prop firm. That's a good one, buddy. No, absolutely not. Prop firms are the biggest scams in the world. And if any of you are trading them, you're being scammed. Not even close. No, Liberty National is one of the most private, prestigious golf courses in New York. Big difference. Big difference. Big difference. And we got a 4-hour candle close coming here soon. You guys know we sold this off, though, for a reason. I mean, if you want to see it, I'd be more than happy to show you, sure. $179,000 on a live account, for those who don't believe me. Live account. I don't trade bullshit prop firms. I don't trade prop firms. I don't trade other people's capital. Only thing I trade's my own capital on a live account there, Tino. Yeah, Matt likes his old ladies. Andrew should be in here. Andrew does too. Yeah.
Happy Wednesday.
I said it.
Thank you, Tino. I don't know where Andrew's at. I don't know where he's at. All I do know is that reel we posted, Adele, is just popping off. I transfer money from my bank account to a trading account with my own money. It's my own capital. Correct, but it's not owned by the LPGA anymore. It's owned by a gentleman who owns about 14, 15 courses. They just kept the name for the appeal for people to get drawn into it. 9 minutes here. No, it's not. There's no such thing as a ladies' golf course. It's just the name. It's about 10% ladies and 90% men. They've got men's only country clubs though. Butler National. There's a bunch of them. Not much left, but not much left anymore. Jose, there he is. What's up, Jose? How you doing, man? Maddie's got you. Trust me, that boy's got you. He's not broke. He's lying to you. Which pair am I trading in all caps? Euro AUD sells. Oh, is that green I see? That is some green I see. There's the green. There's the green. Nope, not anymore, but it was there. Back to red now, but we were green for a second there. We get our 9 o'clock hour. Oh, not yet. We still got 6 minutes. Huh?
Yeah, 1 chicken, 7 cents.
Nah, just leave it. No. This is pretty good though. Watch this. If I go to all, look at that deposit number. That's what I've made off that.
Happy
Four minutes. Yeah, go on and try and get up into there. Go ahead and reject that fair value gap and come right on down. Time to stack another sell. Not bad, boys, moving up. May stack another sell. We'll see, we'll see. We got 1 minute. Some good rejection. Alright, here's our new candle. Hey man, thief, joy, comparison is the thief of joy. You get there one day. Took me 16 years to get here, brother. This is not one of those day trading things where it happens overnight. Never has been and never will be. But I think I might stack another sell. Nice. Went up to the top. Rejected where the previous high was. Should see this bad boy come down. We got 28K in volume. The volume's there. What's up? What are you gonna sell again? How much money you got? Free margin. Not the bonus. The actual margin. Why are you using this? I'll show you. Hold on. Hold on. Open your Chrome or your log into your Henko trade on whatever browser you use. No, he didn't. He didn't. I'm doing it for him here. Alright, so let's go here. Trading terminals. So you're gonna go launch web trader. Henko 3.0, log in. Do your login and your password. That fair value gap's gonna be our saving grace. And look how far the EMA ribbon is now into our stop loss. We're in good shape. We're in good shape. You in? Huh?
Which one do I have log in? I made an account?
The T whatever number on the new account. Check your email. They sent you all the credentials on the new account. You didn't change your password, did you?
Oh, that
Now we're just waiting for rejection. Now the rejection's happening because it's not blowing into this. I just gotta wait for it to come down. Oh boy. You got me, Andrew. That's what you're gonna use now.
Yeah.
And look. how much cleaner this is. See how much cleaner this is?
Yeah.
Analytics. You'll have all your analytics and your trade and your positions. And if you want to do anything, modify order, you can do what you want. But if you want to get in a new trade, all you do is find the chart, type in what you want, click buy or sell. Use that from now on. Oh man, Andrew, you get me rolling. You get me rolling, dude. Get me rolling. Tell you what, golf took a lot out of me today. It was hot out there. Look at this. Ready? That's sunburn. Andrew, you got another granny lover in here too. Matthew Ingle. Talk to him, Matt. He loves this shit.
Discovery Houston, trim to ATO.
I guess it's if you want.
Beautiful, beautiful.
You guys are gonna have a field day together. You guys are gonna have a field day together. Oh my god. You guys are brutal. Brutal. Alright, keep it somewhat PG. There we go. Reject shown. What did Euro USD end up doing? Rejecting. What did GBP AUD end up doing? Starting to reject. Once this 1 hour starts rejecting, I'll be in good shape. Like I said, it really already has rejected. It's just not dropping, but it is rejecting that EMA heavy. There we go. That's what we want to see. Flip red and come down.
Nobody's talking.
Everyone's watching the charts.
Scared already.
Yeah, I know, right? Ding, 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 ding. This thing's just creating a wick. Put in my take profits here. Should probably do that. Wait, what? Oh, that's because I was on the day. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So we're looking at 7 grand on one, 7 grand on the other, and 12.9, almost 13 grand. If these go 2 TP2 ones and 1 TP2. Stop loss is here. All right, we're gonna give this till 9:30 on stream. We're obviously going to hold into London because that's when that 2-3 a.m. is when things start to pop off. We're going to be on stream till 9:30, another 15. We just got a 15 actually. And I think this is its rejection right here. We are undefeated this week, by the way, guys. Undefeated. What are we holding right now? 5.3 pips is all we're holding right now. 5.3 pips. 5.3 pips. I think he's going to struggle to break this, and that was my point of this whole thing. We could have entered up there, but I'm not really worried about 6 pips. You know what I mean? But we shall see. Who's in this, by the way, guys? Everyone in? Let's go, Jose. What's up, my man? Good to see you. What does my account look like tomorrow? I got one meeting at 12:15 tomorrow. Sunday night. Monday. How what picks? How what? Nice. Well, we're not in GBP. Oh, you're in that one also. I think it's just a wick, though. Personally, it's a wickadoodle-doo. What am I trading? Euro AUD is what I'm trading right now. Ooh, I might have to fix that. Euro AUD sells This is about our rejection zone. There you go. Well, welcome. Happy to have you. I would watch all of my YouTube videos. I did a 30-day series on how to day trade in 30 separate shorts. I would, yeah, like Jose says, join. I would certainly watch the 3 video series called How to Day Trade on my YouTube channel. And then I would just tune into the lives. That's what's going to help you the best. And then if you're looking for more than that, there's certainly other options on my website. There's plenty of ways to go about it, you know? Mostly, like this morning I went live in my Discord, so I would definitely suggest getting in the Discord. It's free. I went live this morning in the Discord, this evening on YouTube, but most of the time I'll stream 5 to 6 times a week. Am I profitable? Yeah, I've been trading for 16 years. I am profitable. I do this full time. I do not have a job. This is all I do. YouTube. YouTube is the one that pays me, so that is where I stream. New York session and Asian session and London session. You can trade anytime you want with foreign exchange. That's the beautiful thing about it there. VTRX SHY SG 1648. It's the beautiful thing about it. We're going to tap this 50-day EMA and drop. Nope, I just trade foreign exchange. It's price action's a little cleaner in my opinion. I like the foreign exchange market. I like trading currencies. I like being able to trade 23 hours a day. I think it's just the best option for me. And I think it is for a lot of people. Seven minutes. It's so funny that when you go into drawdown on live, people are just like swipe, swipe, swipe. It's like if I can hold $10,000 to $15,000 drawdown, don't you think I've done something right? But to each his own, you know. All of them, man, but mostly the 4 hour and the 1 hour and the 15-minute. Yeah, I've been there before, man. It hasn't been like that in a long time. I blew a $750,000 trading account. From 50 grand up to 750K over a 3-year period, and I blew it trying to get to $1 million. Being greedy. I would say reset. Get your risk management. No, we haven't gotten stopped out on any trade this week. Every trade has been profitable this week. $1,000, $500 to $1,000 is the minimum I'd start with. Otherwise, your expectations to making money are going to be higher than what is actually going to be possible. What's going on, man? How are you? Sun FX Pro Gold V.2.0. What's going on? How are you? Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, just keep your system over and over and over again. Look at that. Going to drawdown. You have 13 there, and then because they only want to see winners. But this side stays consistent. Yeah, you just got to stick to your system, not over leverage, not let your emotions get involved, and be disciplined. And yes, 100% start with a demo account for at least 3 to 4 months until you are consistently making profits. Then move your real money. Make all your mistakes on a demo account. Make every single mistake. Make every single mistake on your demo account. And you're still going to make mistakes on your live account. But make the mistakes, the major ones. Oh, I pressed buy instead of sell. Oh, I forgot to set a stop loss. Oh, I forgot to do this. I mean, do all of that on your demo account before you move to real money like this. Got 3 minutes here. 3 more minutes. Correct. Yeah, you guys know it. You know it. You know it. Tell you what, I'm exhausted here, guys. Yeah, that or over leveraging. Over leveraging will kill you. It will kill you. Right, Matt?
Yeah.
Alright, we're looking for a nasty wick down here. Not a push. Yeah, you got margin called then. Correct. Yeah, you stick with it. You can really never lose. You just got to take what the market gives you, stick to your system. What?
15 minutes.
Yeah. All systems are going to be... It doesn't matter what's the easy... There is no easy system. The system that works is the one that you're going to want to start with. Do your research and figure out who's got the best system. I mean, I'd argue that I'm sitting here and answering you, so... Yeah, I mean, find somebody that's going to actually sit down and answer your questions and not just push you to a course. I don't sell a course. Nice, Rich. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, my man. Is that our wick we were looking for? Is that our rejection wick we were looking for? I think it is. I've made a pledge to not talk shit about other traders in this because there's way too much hate in the trading industry. So I will refrain from any comments about any other traders. It has no effect on me or my system, so I don't really care about them. I don't even watch them. There's no reason for me to care about them. I do just as well as them. There's no reason for me to put stock into another man. That's kind of weird. Alright, here's where we're at, guys. SL and TP, and that's it. Set and forget, like Alex G. But if I'm in a position and it's going to TP1 and it hits TP1 and it looks like it's going to reject, I'll close all at TP1 instead of having my couple positions at TP1, 2, and 3. Sometimes I just manage them all and get them out TP1. Very seldomly have I ever closed in negative on the way up to a stop loss. A stop loss is a stop loss for a reason. It's because we know this is where the chart is invalidated. So why not let it go to there? We had a trade last week that went within 1 pip of our stop loss and then went 30 pips in profit. If you would have managed that trade and decided to get out, you would have lost money on a trade we made money on. You put your stop loss in the spot for a reason. You have your analysis and that's it. Leave it. It either hits your stop loss or you take profit. But sometimes I will manage on the taking profit part. I wouldn't go as far as saying that. SunFX Pro Gold V2.0. I think they're very good at doing day in the life of now. I think they have a lot of back-end deals with brokers. I think they have a lot of other things. But again, I said I'm not going to talk shit about anyone else. They have a good business. Andrew, we're shorting. Look at this wick. Euro AUD. Euro AUD is what we're shorting. I appreciate that, Adele. I appreciate, and I know there's a lot of you guys on here right now. We got over 30 plus, 40 plus people in here between the two streams, but we're gonna let this thing run into Asian session, or excuse me, London session. It's a lot of rules, but yeah, if it works for you, man, there's a lot of ways to trade. We're going to let this thing run through the London session. That's it for me for tonight. You guys see the chart. We're only holding. We got the rejection. We're holding 5 pips of drawdown. This thing's coming down. The 4 hours coming down. The day chart is coming down. There's no way that comes. This is all coming down. So, if you're in the Discord, make sure your notifications are on. Other than that, thank you guys for showing up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. And we'll end this stream how we always do here. Holding through London session, guys. Holding through London session. This should break down. And then we got New York session stream in the morning. Peace, guys. If you have any questions at all, just message me in Discord.